So you just got yourself a brand new S197 body style Mustang, and you're wondering what are the best first cosmetic modifications to do to your Mustang. Here we go. Getting carbon fiber wrap, and just for the fun of it, just testing it out on different small complex parts of your Mustang and just having fun with it. And you never know, it might actually turn out pretty good. Like here, this wasn't my first time wrapping, but it was around my 5th time, so by then definitely I got a hang of it, and just in my opinion, it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, but definitely just gives subtle difference to the car. Like right here, we have just a small trim of carbon fiber and ended up looking phenomenal in my opinion. Painting your brake calipers is definitely a great choice when it comes to exterior modifications for your Mustang. It doesn't cost a lot, it's only about 50 bucks, and all you need is sandpaper, primer, the choice of color of paint, and clear coat, and some time and dedication, and you have some pretty good results by the end of it. A Decklid panel is definitely something that I believe is one of the best, and if not the best, external modifications to your S197 body style Mustang. I decided to go a little custom route and order this Decklid panel from American Muscle, and getting a Dremel and actually cutting through these ridges and ordering a Coyote badge for my Mustang, and ended up actually fitting quite perfectly actually. I'm not sure if you can see there, I actually cut through, and so far has been holding up pretty well. Right here, the type of exhaust that we're running is a MagnaFlow exhaust, which I actually don't know the correct specifications to which model of MagnaFlow exhaust this is, but all I do know is that it has a resonator delete, and it has its catalytic converters and stock manifolds. I'll let you get a listen of these and just get a quick listen to a cold start of my 2011 GT Mustang. Another external modification that I believe is one of the best looking is something to cover up the quarter window, the rear quarter window on your S197 body style Mustang. What I have gone with was a pre-painted side scoop from American Muscle. However, you could also go with Louvers, pre-painted obviously, or you could go with the unpainted finish, which in my opinion just doesn't look as well as the pre-painted options come with. And how can we forget the rear window louvers, which was one of my favorite modifications that I've done to this S197 body style Mustang. I had these previously from my S197 Mustang, which was a 2007 V6, but as I upgraded to a 2011 Mustang GT, I realized that you have the same rear window, so I decided to just take the old rear louvers that I had on there and place them onto my newer Mustang, which I believe just makes the car look in general a lot more aggressive and brings out the old school look of the 1970s fastback Mustang. Backing out the Mustang emblem, this was really easy. It was just taping off the rest of the grill and just spraying it with Plasti Dip, which is a very easy process of doing. Only took about 4 hours, but that's just with spraying the coats and letting it cure properly and then spraying another coat. I ended up spraying 3 coats and came out pretty good, in my opinion. Something else was the fog light deletes that I did. Now, my reason for this was my fog lights weren't actually working, so I actually saw a Mustang Boss 302 in the street the other day, and I saw that he has his fog lights deleted, which comes factory with the delete kit. But what I have done was just remove the fog lights, which was actually a very simple process. It was just removing a couple clips from the factory, and what this does is it gives off the aggressive look of the Boss 302. So what I realized is just allows a lot more airflow into the engine bay, which just helps cooling. However though, right here, with removing this fog light, there's actually a channel right inside that I can actually put my hand through, which basically allows all the airflow into the engine's air box, which just allows the car to be able to suck in more colder, denser air from the outside compared to bringing it in from the engine bay area. Well, those are just a couple out of many modifications to your exterior S197 body style Mustang that you could do to make it the baddest thing to hit the road. It's Drew, and I'm out.